In this video, we'll show you how to download YouTube videos you previously uploaded to your channel. Remember, you can't download other people's YouTube videos, but you can watch videos offline in the YouTube app if you have a YouTube Premium membership. To get started, make sure you are signed into the right account. Click on your profile picture in the top right, and then select YouTube Studio in the drop-down menu. Then in the sidebar to the left, click on the Content tab, hover the mouse over the video you would like to download, click on the Options button, then select Download. By the way, not all videos can be downloaded. You can't download a video if it has been removed from YouTube or if it has a copyright or community guideline strike against it. You also can't download a video if you have already downloaded it 5 times in the last 24 hours. After a day has passed, you'll see the option to download it again. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.